Once again, here we are looking at the cockpit. You can see the binnacle, compass. It's a central cockpit, so it's nice and safe, as opposed to a boat where the cockpit's at the back and quite open, exposed to following seas, etc. And as you can see from Chantecler, I've rigged everything so that all the lines and the sheets come back into the cockpit. On the starboard side, we've got the topping lift and the main halyard and the staysail halyard, the luff 3, the reef 3 and the outhaul. And on the port side, we've got the kicker, we've got reef 2, luff 2, reef 1, the jib halyard and the Genoa halyard. So it makes it so much easier for me when I'm sailing on my own, for example, or short-handed, to be able to control the boat from the cockpit without having to go forward in heavy seas. So as we're coming down the companionway, you can see on our port side, this is the saloon area in front of you. We've got the chart table with the life vests and life jackets, etc. underneath. There's the radio, VHF, depth finder. My HF radio is being repaired at the moment. This is the skipper's cabin. So if I've got lots of crew, this is where I sleep. It's quick and accessible to get to the top if there's an emergency. And then we've got, on the starboard side, we've got the galley with the 2-plate stove and oven, a fridge, and leading to the back we've got the aft cabin. So I've made this used to be a bunk, but I've converted this into storage space. Quite useful. Put in this door, and as we go into the aft cabin, gives you a pretty good idea of the spaciousness of the back, okay, with shelving, etc. But considering when you're buying your boat, one of the most important aspects is the engine. How accessible is the engine? Now the beauty of this boat is that I've got these 4 panels on this starboard side, and they come out quite easily. We walk around the companionway and we come into the skipper's cabin. You can see here we've got another panel which comes out very easily. So the engine is very accessible to work on.